Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase taskbar transparency in Windows 10. Click search bar and type regedit. Click H key local machine. Click software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click current version. Click Explorer. Click Advanced. Right side of the Advanced. Right-click mouse button. Click New. Click DWORD 32-bit value. Paste the value from the description. Double-click and change the value to 1. Close the registry. Restart the system. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.